Bitcoin money really is a mid-position digital money as of now evaluated at $236.23 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $4,620,35405 in a significant manner. Over the past not very many years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out areas of strength for and in the worldwide monetary world and sort of are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex. A few institutional financial backers even generally consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an extremely significant way. Retail financial backers and merchants certainly are really keen on digital currencies, for example, BCH on the grounds that this in every practical sense is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources especially have the fundamentally potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately exceptionally brief timeframe, or so they especially thought. These profits generally are really out of reach in sort of different business sectors, which in every practical sense is the motivation behind why most moderate financial backers in every way that really matters are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money, while the groundbreaking ones in every practical sense give a huge piece of their especially cash flow to this quickly creating resource class, or so they fundamentally thought. At this by and large specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $236.23, where it as of now sits, or so they certainly thought. As currently referenced, BCH truly is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 22nd spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the in every practical sense metric that's sort not entirely set in stone, by duplicating the kind of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a by and large huge manner. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization remains at $4,620,035,405. The significance of this boundary will generally be for the most part made sense of later, by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. Our cost expectation calculation for the most part is planned in essentially such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to generally give our endorsers the most reliable data on the by and large present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily for the most part survey the condition of their portfolio and in a real sense conclude whether it all things considered necessities to be reconfigured in a really significant manner. Our calculation additionally really focuses on authentic information, which explicitly is genuinely crucial for the especially right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its present and future bearing, which truly is very critical. Underneath you will really find truly key selections of this verifiable information, so you also could by and large have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market generally is going in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on November 11th, BCH sort of was esteemed at $239.93 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. By and large recollect that cryptographic forms of money fundamentally are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period essentially added up to 1.37%. 7 days prior, on November 5th, Bitcoin money essentially was exchanged at $240.23 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense near its especially present situation in an unpretentious manner. On October 12th, which explicitly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $213.89, the cost level that sort of is at the distance of 10.45% from where it presently in every practical sense remains in an unobtrusive way. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX truly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, especially further appearance how 7 days prior, on November 5th, Bitcoin money was exchanged at $240.23 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that essentially near its truly present situation in a quite enormous manner. Market capitalization generally is another significant really metric that basically assists traders with essentially deciding the notoriety of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which by and large is very critical. It's likewise used to evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money for the most part holds inside the extremely whole digital currency market, which certainly is very critical. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization explicitly is somewhat straightforward. The coursing supply of the money being referred to explicitly is increased by its sort of current cost, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH generally remains at $4,620,035,405, enough to name it the 22nd biggest coin on the digital money market, showing how the equation for the estimation of market capitalization fundamentally is somewhat basic. The flowing stock of the cash being referred to sort of is duplicated by its extremely current cost in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on November 11, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money truly remained at $4,690,970,302 in a significant manner. 7 days prior, on November 5, the capitalization of BCH by and large was $4,696,513,662, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. A month prior, on October 12, how much sort of capital streaming around this sort of specific market generally added up to $4,177,202,254, so decently retail financial backers and brokers especially are especially keen on digital currencies, for example. BCH on the grounds that this really is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources by and large have the genuinely potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately especially brief timeframe, which in every practical sense is very critical. Most cryptographic money financial backers truly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an actually certain digital currency and its capacity to explicitly endure disturbances, which especially are the kind of normal event on this profoundly unstable market, showing how the cost change, rate-wise, over the said period, especially added up to 1.37%. The in every way that really matters, greatest stockpile of Bitcoin money generally is 21,000,000 BCH. The exceptionally absolute stockpile of BCH at present in a real sense remains at 19,557,075 coins, which explicitly is very critical. The circling supply of the cryptographic money under survey fundamentally is 19,557,075 BCH in a by and large enormous manner. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't for the most part be finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the truly metric utilized by practically all digital currency dealers to truly affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move in an unobtrusive manner. For example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain especially is happening on the rear of the genuinely low exchanging volume, there essentially is a high likelihood that this move in every practical sense is impractical and would by and large bring about a bullish snare, by and large further appearance how yesterday, on November 11. BCH certainly was esteemed at $239.93 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings, especially recollect that digital currencies are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchange